Hi guys, thank you for tuning into my channel. So today I will be telling you how you can install ChatGPT app for your Mac device. And let me clear you, currently as of 17th May 2024, you don't have a application for Windows officially. So for the Mac we have the application and I'll be telling you how you can install it. So let's get started. First, I already have ChatGPT app on my device, so I'll just delete it so that I am able to give a good tutorial. So just let me get that deleted. Okay, so I've deleted ChatGPT. What you have to do is you have to go onto this link. Actually, if you go onto the App Store, you will not be able to find the ChatGPT app, and any other app that you see over here which is named ChatGPT or in any similar way, it is not from the official OpenAI company. So these are other mockups that have been created. This is not the real one. So to get the real one, actually they have not uh, posted it on the App Store, but if you go on to the community.openai.com, in the OpenAI forum you can see that the DMG file has been given over here. So you don't have to find this out. I'll be linking this page in my description, so you can directly download it. So we'll just download this DMG file. As you can see, it is getting downloaded. So once it is downloaded, we have to just click on it. So as you click on it, the installer will be shown. You have to move this ChatGPT app into the application folder, and it is done. Now we have the ChatGPT app on our device. So let's go on to the ChatGPT app. Let's open it. So as you can see, it is logging in, but just let me log out and let me show you one thing. So okay. So if you are installing it for the first time, this is what you will be seeing. So now you can try to log in, but since I have ChatGPT Plus subscription, I was able to easily log in. But if you don't have ChatGPT Plus subscription as of now, you might not be able to log in. So let me try another email in which I don't have the subscription. So as you can see, you get this error. You don't have access to the desktop app yet. So if you are a free user, I would suggest you to wait for a while because they are slowly rolling it out as it is mentioned in the website. It in couple of weeks they will be rolling out for the free users, but it is a priority for the plus users. So if you want, you can take the ChatGPT Plus subscription. I'll be telling about that as well later in this video. So if you are a free user, you can't log in. So you have to be a plus subscription. So let me use the email ID in which I have the ChatGPT Plus subscription. So as you can see, since I have the ChatGPT Plus subscription, I have logged into the app. So as soon as you open this app, this is what you will be seeing. So at the top left corner, you can see you can select the model. First, it will show ChatGPT 4. If you click on it, you can see the various models that are available. So since we are plus users, so we get three models over here: 3.5, 4, and 4.0. Also, you can see that all the previous GPTs that you have used will be listed over here. Here you can see the Explore GPT option and temporary chat feature. We will be looking about this later in this video. So let's just close it. The other icons which you can see over here is at the top left corner, you can see this booklet icon. Just click on it. If you click on it, you can see that you will be able to access your history. So if you want to search a specific history or specific conversation, you can just write it. For example, if I write trading, then you can see that trading related conversations are listed over here. So This is how you can search the history. If you come on to the bottom right corner, here you can see your user ID. If you click on it, there will be two options, settings and logout. Just click on settings. Now here in the settings, we'll be having various options. We'll be going through it one by one. First, you will have your email listed over here, your current subscription, and personalization. So let's go into personalization and let's see what are the options that we have. If you can see here, you have two options, customize ChatGPT and memory. So let's first see about customizing ChatGPT. So as you know about how we can add system prompts to ChatGPT, this is very much similar to that only, but here you can have a bit more flexibility. So here you will be having two options. First will be, what would you like ChatGPT to know about you to provide better responses? So here you can mention about yourself what ChatGPT should know about you. What are your interests, what is your profession and all of that, your age, your gender, all of that you can mention over here. Second is, how would you like ChatGPT to respond? So it should have long context, it should be verbose, or it should use less sentences. So any kind of system prompt which we were previously using, you can have it over here. As you can see, I have currently set up a system prompt which tells it to think step by step. So here you can have system prompt like this. So this is what customized ChatGPT is. Next, if you come on to memory, as you know, this is a new feature. If you say ChatGPT to memorize anything, it will create a list of what you like, what you dislike, what you prefer, and any information that you share about yourself. If it thinks that it is something that can be used in the future or it will be required in the future, it will be storing in the memory. So currently in my memory there is nothing, but let me show you how it works. So we are in a new chat. If we are not in a new chat, you can just click this option. So we are in a new chat now. So let me send a message. uh Let me try. Please remember that I love cupcakes. So let me message this. As you can see, it is showing memory updated, so it is stored in the memory. So let us just check out in the memory if it is stored or not. If you come on to personalization and manage memory, you can see it shows love cupcake. So a- as gradually you keep on having conversations with ChatGPT, so gradually it will develop memories related to you and it will be tailored specific to your needs. So here we'll go and click on this icon so that we can start a new chat. Now we'll go to settings. We'll be seeing other options. So this was the personalization. Here everything have been explained. So let's go on to data control. So improve the model for everyone. If you want that your chat should be shared to the chat GPT's team to improving their model, so you can have this option. If you disable this option, your chats will not be sent to chat GPT. Next is improve voice for everyone. It is exactly the same but for the voice model. Here you can export data, delete account and delete all chats. So these are other options which are not very important. After that you have the app language, you can change over that. This is the keyboard shortcut. Actually, if you want to uh, start chat GPT directly through the keyboard, you can do it. For example, here it is showing control and space. I have currently set it to control space. So since it is currently in the background, let me come on to my desktop and let me click control space. As you can see, if I click control space, I can directly start a chat over here. See, if I send hi, a new conversation is started over here. Let me close this. You can see a new conversation has been started. So this is how, if the app is in background, then this works. You can, click on option plus space, then this will be opened. Actually, I have option and space for other shortcuts, so I've currently set it to control and space. So you can change it. If you click over here and just press the shortcut, it will register. So this is the keyboard shortcut, and Other than this, you can select the voice over here. What is the voice you want?
Hello, I'm really excited about teaming up with you and I'm all set to dive in. So, how can I make your life easier? Hey there. Hello,
So there are many voices over there. You can keep your preferred one. So I think that is all for the settings. So let's just close it. As you can see, we are back into our main interface. We'll close this booklet icon. Now let's click GPT-4o and let's see what are the other options we have. You can see this pin icon over here down at the bottom. If you click over it, you will have four options: take photo, take screenshot, upload photo, and upload file. If you click on upload photo, it will go to your photos library. If you click on upload file, you can find out the files from your finder. So this is how you can send files to ChatGPT. Also, you can take screenshots directly over here. If you click take screenshot, an entire screen, so the screenshot for the entire screen has been taken and pasted over here. So it becomes a bit hassle free for you. So that is something. Other than that, this is the voice icon. Here you can send voice voice output to ChatGPT, which will be converted into prompt. As you can see, it is converted into prompt. It is different from the voice that we use, which we'll be using later in this video, not now. So this is the voice mode, but this mic icon is just if you don't want to type, then you can click that icon to send your messages through voice. So that is that. Now just look on to GPTs and all of that. So if you have used any other GPTs previously, they all will be listed over here. Here many GPTs are there. Some of them are created by me, some of them are from the community. So all this, since I have pinned it into the sidebar, these are listed over here. Now if you have not saved any GPTs or pinned anything in the sidebar, you may not have anything over here. So let's go to explore GPTs to find out how we can explore this page over here. So this is the explore GPT box. You can see here you can search any GPTs, or you can also see other GPTs based on programming or various other categories. Here in my GPTs, you can see your GPTs which you have created. I have a bunch of them. So here you can see the GPTs that you have created. Now let's go on to the top picks, and now let us see any GPT which we can use. Let's use the Canva GPT. As soon as you click on it, a small box will appear. Here you can see that the description and information about it, its ratings, what are the action it is able to do, all of those will be mentioned over here. To start a chat, you have to just click on start chat. As soon as you click on start chat, a conversation will be started. But remember that this will not be added into the sidebar. If you want that this to be added into your sidebar, you have to click on this name of the GPT and click on keep in sidebar. If you click on keep in sidebar, it will be added into the sidebar. So let us just go and check out if it is in the sidebar. As you can see, now it is pinned into the sidebar. Okay, so if you have pinned it into the sidebar, you can use it. So we'll not be using it now. So this was how you can explore your GPTs. Next is temporary chat. So temporary chat is if you don't want to store your conversation, or you don't want to use it after some time or later. You just want to have a temporary chat, so you can use it. It is similar to the private tab that we have in browsers, nothing different. So you can have a temporary chat. It will not be stored, and it will also not be used to train the models, but the company may have this chat for 30 days for security purposes. So this is how you can have temporary chat. So we'll disable temporary chat for now. This is how you have normal conversation in the GPT app. And if you can use here the various models that are present over here. There are some other options that I need to show you. So for that, let us start a conversation. So let me send hi, how are you? Let me send a message. Okay. So you can see that we have got the reply. Here some options are available. This is the copy option. This is the regenerate option. This is the volume option. If you click on it, the message will be spoken out by the whisper model which ChatGPT has. So let us just click it.
Hello, I'm here and ready to assist you. How can I help you today?
So as you can see, it reads out the response that has been generated. The next icon is this icon. As you can see, if you click on it, you can change the model in real time. For example, you have started your conversation in GPT-4o, but now you want to talk in GPT-4. Maybe you want to talk to GPT-4 or GPT 3.5. So if you click GPT-4, you'll be getting the response in GPT-4. Okay, now so let's just generate another response. It's been nice talking to you. Okay. So as you can see, this message was the first message was responded by GPT-4, but the next message responded by GPT-4o. So let us type another message. Okay, this will be using GPT 3.5 for this one. As you can see in the same conversation, I had three different models. So anytime if you want to have different model to respond, maybe you can how you can use this one is, for example, if you are having a conversation, then you can use GPT 3.5, but you think that the next step needs some intelligence, it is a bit more reasoning is required. So you can change the model to GPT-4 for that particular step, so it will not be very task intensive and you will not hit the rate limit. So this is something that you can do. Okay, so we have done that. Now let's go into the voice mode, as I said. So to go that, you have to just click on this headphones icon which is present at the bottom right corner. So if you click on the headphones icon, this is what you will see: chat with voice. So here you can see the instructions have been given. First you will be prompted to choose a voice, so let's choose a voice.
Hi there. I just want to share how thrilled I am. Hello, I'm really excited about teaming up with you, and I'm all set to dive in. So, how can I make your life easy?
So I've shown you this already, so let's select sky over here since I like sky. So let's confirm. So let's have a conversation. Hi, how are you?
Hello, I'm doing well, thank you. How about you?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Glad to hear that. What have you been up to lately?
Okay, can you sing a song for me?
I can't sing, but I can definitely help you with lyrics or recommend a song. Is there a specific song you have in mind?
Can you browse the web for me?
Yes, I can browse the web for you. What would you like me to look up?
Tell me about the latest Google event. As you can see.
Google's latest event, Google I/O 2024, took place on May 14th. The event highlighted several major announcements and innovations. Key topics included advancements in AI, new features for Android 15, and the introduction of the Pixel 8a. One of the major highlights was the introduction of Google's Gemini project, which focuses on AI-enabled applications. This initiative aims to help developers create more productive and creative AI applications faster. Android 15 was another significant focus, with new features such as private space and advanced anti-theft protection being showcased. The Android 15 Beta 2 is now available for eligible devices. Additionally, Google unveiled new updates for its various platforms, including web, mobile, and cloud development tools, aiming to enhance developers' productivity and scalability. For more detailed information and to catch up on the announcements, you can visit the official Google I/O page. Please open your app to see this link.
Can you generate a picture for me?
Of course, what kind of picture would you like me to generate? Feel free to provide some details or a specific scene you'd like to see.
No, it's all up to you. What do you think is best? it is pinging the DALI 3 API. So there are many confusions related to this voice model. So I have to clarify that as well. Let me
Here's the
just,
picture of a serene sunset over a calm lake. I hope you like it. You can check out the images in our conversation history.
okay, so just go back. So I have to tell you something about this voice model as well. So this is the image which is generated. So this image which is generated, it is generated through the DALI API. It is not native to GPT-4o as many are thinking. Also, you can see that the web search has been done. So what I was going to tell is actually I was interrupted by the voice model. So what I was going to tell is there is too much misconception about this voice model. Actually, I'll show you this tweet which is tweeted by Sam Altman himself. Actually, the underlying voice model has not been updated. So the model which we are talking to, it is the previous model. This voice chat interface has been in the app, I think, for a very long time in the Android application, that is in the mobile application. This voice mode has been there for quite a while. You can see that the conversation I was having, there was a bit of latency. It was not too much, but there was latency. Also, when I told it to sing a song, it didn't sing me a song. And also when I told it to generate image, it used the DALI 3 API. So there are many people actually who are thinking that the voice model to which they are talking is the latest model, but that is not the truth. The current voice model which we saw in the event is very nice, and it will be coming later in couple of weeks. So that was the voice model. Similarly, when you if you go on to the OpenAI website, let me show you. If I go on to the OpenAI website and let's search OpenAI GPT-4o. Let's see what we have got over here. So let's go on to this website. If you go on to this website, you can see that there are many in the exploration of capability section. There are many capabilities that are mentioned. I have shown this in my previous video. You can check it in the I section, or I will show it in this pop-up over here. So here you can see many capabilities are mentioned. For example, one of it is, if I show you now, it is lecture summarization. If you give a video, then it will summarize the whole video for you. So these capabilities have not been integrated into the GPT-4o model currently. What you are using now is just the text. So we are just allowed to use the text model for now. Soon I'll be uploading a video about the text model, how it performs against GPT-4 and how its image generation capabilities is, because clearly in the event they told that it is not a very big update compared to GPT-4, but it excels in language translation, language understanding, and image interpretation. So we'll be checking all of that. I hope this tutorial about ChatGPT app was helpful to you. Um, Again, I'll be telling, if you are a free user, you might have to wait for a while, or you can buy the subscription now. If you ask my suggestion, I would suggest that you should not buy the paid subscription, that is ChatGPT Plus subscription. Why? Because you don't get anything significant enough, because GPT-4 is already available in the free tier. Yeah, you don't have many messages, but other than that there is nothing better. And also the most of the things which you saw in the event, they are still rolling out, so they are not currently into the paid subscription. So if you have to do something urgent, that is something important you have to do, then you can take the subscription. But just for testing it out, I think it is, I don't suggest to buy the ChatGPT Plus subscription. Actually, I have a channel, so it is actually, logical for me to buy subscription. But you can see what is your use case and if it is required or not. Currently there are not many features in the Plus subscription, but soon when the voice model and the image generation capabilities and the whole Omni model will be available, then I think Plus subscription will be a very good option. So if you like this video, subscribe to my channel. I have various such videos in my channel which are related to the AI and other topics. I have also uploaded a video that summarizes the whole event under 4 minutes. You can check that video as well. Thank you guys for watching my video.